are now crossing Soviet airspace.
Mayday.
Good you have not died.
Who are you? Why am I tied to the bed?
So that you would not move during the surgery.
What do you mean, surgery?
In your leg, I repaired an artery. You screamed a lot, but that is my fault because I do not have proper anesthesia.
Okay, what is with all the American stuff?
This may shock you. I admire your country very much. Your democracy, your culture, and your films, and your food. I have never had McDonald's, but I suspect I would love it.
Is that right? As you can imagine, I really need to get going. I am behind enemy lines.
American.
Will you help me? Where'd you learn to fight like that?
None of us escape what we are. Are all fighter pilots as sensitive as you?
Yes.
Немедленно! We must jump!
Don't love Russia.
Красиво.
She is a sexual escort. Let us hope this is merely the foreplay and they move upstairs for the act of intercourse.
You are scorching my ear with the heat of your breath.
We're seeing a bizarre financial trend today. Professionals are taking home higher salaries than at any point in history, yet they are increasingly living paycheck to paycheck right alongside minimum wage earners. Look at the data from a recent Federal Reserve survey. It shows that households earning over $100,000 a year are experiencing growing anxiety about missing their minimum debt payments. We are wired to fear sudden, catastrophic financial disasters, a sudden stock market crash wiping out our portfolio, or a surprise corporate layoff. But for most of us, wealth evaporates through a slow, silent, and automated bleed that we never even notice. These invisible, automated drains pose a higher risk to long-term wealth than a market collapse because they operate continuously and without notice. Today, we are going to count down 5 automated, invisible financial traps, specifically engineered to siphon away your surplus income. We'll break down the specific math behind every single one, scaling from small daily annoyances all the way to massive lifetime losses. The number one trap on our list quietly steals hundreds of thousands of dollars from the average person's retirement account without them ever suspecting a thing. Understanding the escalating mathematical scale of these traps is the only way to stop mindless consumption and actually start preserving your wealth. Let's start at number 5, bank maintenance fees. It is deeply ironic that we pay banks a monthly fee just for the privilege of letting them hold our own money. These small, easily ignored charges, a $12 monthly maintenance fee, out-of-network ATM charges, routine transfer costs, are systemic drains designed to target inattentive consumers. That same reliance on inattention drives trap number 4, unused subscriptions. The entire modern subscription economy is built on human forgetfulness and the friction of hitting cancel. This chart shows exactly what happens to those seemingly harmless $10 and $15 monthly charges. Over a decade, that loose change compounds into thousands of dollars in wasted capital. These microdrains survive exclusively because the financial system makes automatic billing completely frictionless, while deliberately making cancellation a frustrating, high-friction process. Moving to the mid-level drains, we hit trap number 3, retail extended warranties, which cashiers aggressively push on you right at the checkout counter. These warranties are nearly pure profit for the retailer. The statistical likelihood of a television or a blender actually failing within that specific warranty window is exceptionally low. It acts as an emotional tax, paid mostly by consumers who lack the financial literacy to accurately evaluate and manage risk themselves. Trap number 2 is lifestyle creep. This is the invisible inflation where your fixed living costs rise exactly in tandem with your income. Your hard-earned raises are instantly absorbed by purchasing depreciating liabilities, like financing a brand new car off the lot. Upgrading to a larger home or relying heavily on premium food delivery permanently elevates your monthly fixed costs, suffocating any surplus capital you might have had. There is a severe mathematical consequence to spending potential investment capital on these lifestyle upgrades. It entirely resets your compounding clock for building wealth. As long as your consumption rises perfectly alongside your income, earning a higher salary will never actually translate into building lasting wealth. Finally, we arrive at the macro drain, trap number 1, mutual fund expense ratios. This is simply the annual 1 or 2% management fee charged by Wall Street for actively managing a portfolio. This graph shows a baseline scenario. Two people each invest $500 a month for 30 years, and both earn an average 7% market return. Here is where the math diverges. The investor utilizing a 0.5% fee index fund finishes with $560,000. The investor paying a 2% fee finishes with only $420,000. A seemingly harmless 1.5% difference in fees acts as a silent wealth killer, permanently transferring $140,000 of your lifetime wealth directly to Wall Street. Maintaining a consumption focus means accepting these automated frictions as the cost of living. Wealth preservation requires an active strategy to plug every leak. You can start by actively auditing your bank statements to cancel those invisible subscriptions and categorically rejecting extended warranties at the register. Next, utilize low-cost index funds to avoid expense ratios and intentionally divert your next raise into savings instead of lifestyle upgrades. Neutralizing these 5 traps ensures that your earning power actually translates into capital, finally allowing compound interest to build your wealth rather than erode it.